Hi, this is Ranjan Mahapatra and I am looking for Anisol RF resin plant. I just take you the background of that plant. When I joined into that company, so it is given lot of challenges to me, like the housekeeping point of view or to the productivity improvement, OE improvement, capacity improvement. So we team as a team, we along with all the team members and discuss all the points related to the issues, constraints those who are finding. So the biggest challenge is coming for the RF resin is the tar handling system. So which is the manually system, and it gives the entire plant look is blackish in nature, and the housekeeping always in poor. Nobody want to come to the plant because of this nature. So we started to develop that system and put an electrical melter system where that manual braking system to be avoided and it has to be melted there. And to upgrade that one, we have started the new tar melting system and charging through the closed loop system. So that also implemented, and in this system we can believe that we reduce the RF resin manpower by 6 manpower from the last 1 year. And in Anisol plant, if you see that the productivity of the plant which is there, the sodium handling system which is there, and by the process centrifuge coming out, so it requires 2 to 3 manpower per day to eliminate that sodium sulfate and its disposal, and its disposal to the SLS is also adding to that cost. So to avoid to that and adding an value addition to that sodium sulfate, we implemented the sparkle filter system which filter that distillation and remove that impurity from there, and the sodium sulfate which will get, it is in white in product, and it will be sellable into the market as well as the internal consumption of the reso plant. So this not only give an proper housekeeping of the plant, it gives an value addition, like improve the productivity from the 67 kg per man hour to 150 kg per man hour, and reduction of 2 manpower in that Anisol plant also. So in overall point of view, manpower reduction, we reduced 8 manpower from Anisol and RF resin within 1 hour. So in RF resin plant, the tar braking system which you doing manually earlier. So this in the 5-phase system, it what gives and improve that removal that wastage from that system, which improve that productivity. So involve that technique of that cleaning of that system to that melting to that system. So that gives an impact to that 5-phase, and which gives an impact to the plant also in the efficiency improvement.